Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I will show how do we filter data from the CSV file. What do you mean by filtration? Let's look at this. So let's consider we have a CSV file which contains data like supplier ID, supplier name, supplier number, taxpayer country, DUNS number, and status. You have this file which sits on the FTP location. And now you would like to create a REST API where you wanted to send the status as a request parameter, and you would like to get the suppliers where the status is only active, or you wanted to send the status inactive and you would like to get only the suppliers where status is inactive. So how do we do this filtration from the CSV file in Oracle integration? Let's look at it and see how this can be achieved. So for that, let's go back to the Oracle integration and let's create a REST-based integration here with the help of application trigger. Let's say data filter data from CSV, and let's say create. So what I am going to do, I'm going to use my REST connection here, and let's say filter data, click on a continue. Here I'm saying suppliers and then suppliers with status. Get operation. So I will use configure this endpoint to receive the response. Continue. Continue. XML schema, that will be JSON sample. And then inline. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my suppliers array, which I'm going to get. Let's say supplier ID, name, status, taxpayer country. That's it. And on top of it, let's say count also. How many suppliers you will get. Okay. And continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 fields. Okay, let me check if I can get more fields. All right. That's fine, I guess. Continue. What happened to this? I guess I need to put comma here also. Fine. Continue and then finish. So here, let's use the FTP connection to read the file. Read file. Let's say continue. Read file as key. Let me take my directory. And the file name is supplier.csv. Continue. And let's say CSV, continue. And let me put the sample file here that I have, supplier.csv. Say data, data set. And here we go. Let's say fine, continue, and then finish. All right, so what I'm going to do here in this mapper, let's response wrapper, suppliers, read file response. So I will map everything here. Data, supplier ID, supplier name, supplier, not supplier number, taxpayer country, and then status. In the supplier, so here's the array. Here I wanted to make the filter. Otherwise, it will send all the data. It will map all the data. So I'll click this array type, click here and make a condition here where status equals to the status that you have sent here. And it will give you only the suppliers where the status is matching with the status that you pass here. And then if you have account, same thing you can do here as well. Count, put the count here. Here, what you can do, you can put this data here, and under this data, you can say the same thing, status. Like this equals to that status. And then do this. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, bracket. So I guess I did something wrong here. Delete. Then put count again here. So what you can do, you can put this data here and then do this. Put that status here. Okay. And then equals to, I don't think that's going to work. That's fine. For now, let's leave it. Count. Validate. I will not use this for now and do this. So let me, or what I can do here, from there only I can remove the count function. It's not working for now. That's fine. Let me remove from here, not to confuse you. Count, finish. And then enable the identifier. All right, let's go back and let's activate this integration and see what happens now. Run. Let's pass the status, let's say active, and then run. So here you can see all the suppliers with the status active, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's pass inactive here. So you should receive 2 records. Inactive, inactive. So this is how you can filter data from CSV with the help of XSLT code. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.